I'm Paul, this is Poppy, and this is our life behind the van. This is our Van Haven T6.1 4Motion long wheelbase. We're coming up to 2 years of van ownership. It was almost circumstance that kind of drew us to it. We had the opportunity to move here to Wales. We wanted to kind of expand our kind of outside lifestyle, out in the country, hiking, mountain biking, and it was kind of time to get a new vehicle as well. And actually, we kind of just stumbled upon a transporter. We started to say, well, okay, a transporter probably does fit the bill of what we want, but we probably want something that's a little bit, you know, personalized and kind of pimped up. And so after we started looking around, we came across Van Haven. And so we kind of started looking, doing a bit more research, found the configurator online. And the one good thing about the configurator is it's incredibly realistic. So whether you're changing the colors, lowering, hiring, changing the wheels, the interior, that really kind of made the whole speccing incredibly easy. We had a lot of help from Alec. He was great in helping us kind of finalize it. You know, we went down to the kind of the factory, had a look around, saw the attention to detail that was going into these builds, and it almost became a no-brainer. It was like, well, yeah, this is what we want. This is how we want to build it. As I said, one of the reasons for getting the van was for mountain biking. You know, we were used to putting bikes on the back of vehicles, and that can be a bit of a faff. So the ability just to literally take a wheel off and put it into its proper designated mount. You know it's kind of secure, as well as being locked away if you're having to stop over or stop in a service station and things like that. It just makes life incredibly easy. I suppose the favourite feature of the van is definitely the drawer system. I mean, we've got the captain's chairs and they can spin around, and that's all pretty cool. But the one thing that gets used kind of day in, day out is the drawer system, whether that's converting it to put bikes on the back, laying it flat to kind of sleep, or just the ability to completely empty it and chuck a load of rubbish in it or fill it with other stuff. So yes, it's the versatility of the tray system, and one of the reasons why we went for long wheelbase as well, because you can just kind of maximize whether you're putting a long bike in there, a Christmas tree, or whatever. For us, having a Van Haven van has just enabled us to do what we want to do and live our lives how we wanted and kind of envisaged we would live them. When we moved to Wales, it was all about getting out and about, getting to the beach, getting up into the hills, getting on our bikes. And so the Van Haven van has just kind of enabled us to do that, and to do it in a way that's, you know, been able to have a personalised vehicle. So it's got all the kind of the capability, but the ability to spec it how you want is just makes it a lot more kind of comfortable and flexible. We went for the long wheelbase because we wanted to make sure we could get both our bikes in the back of that, make sure it was kind of easy to live with. We've obviously got a dog wandering around somewhere who likes to kind of jump in and out. I kind of like the swamper look, but I also really liked the kind of the lowered stance look as well. So we've got kind of what I have coined urban swamper. So it's lowered on Bilstein coilovers, but we've got the kind of the swamper wheels and tyres, which really kind of set it off. Obviously in the kind of pure grey colour, which I think with the black enhancements makes it look really, really cool. In terms of the spec internally, we wanted this to kind of really last. So basically we've gone for all of the insulation that we could get. We are going to be using it for occasional overnight stays. So fully lined, diesel heater, just in case we kind of want to have a ad hoc kind of stop overnight. And then the rest of it is all the kind of the standard kind of platinum finish in here, with obviously the lovely captain's seats which are able to kind of turn, which makes it really flexible. If we just want to go for day trips in the beach, you can spin them round, have a cup of coffee. We've got the Ivano table in here as well, so it's got full flexibility for what we use it for really, which is 80% day van, day trips, with the ability that if we wanted to, that we can kind of lay the bed down and stay over if we wanted to. So yeah, full flexibility was the kind of the priority when we were speccing this. So because we have the dog and we want to have the ability to sleep in here, the dog sleeps in here as well, we went for the 3 individual seats, because actually that gives full flexibility to be able to take 1 out, 2 out, all 3 out, depending on what you're carrying. You know, we've had this completely empty, full of plants, and so it can act just like a van. It can act like a day van. It can act like a go away for the weekend van. So yes, we spec'd it for full kind of flexibility. As I said, we've got all the lighting system throughout as well, and we've also got the down here the leisure battery, with the ability to obviously use 240 volt as well. The one thing that we really enjoy doing is actually just getting to the beach. So, you know, we're only about an hour from the beach, and so being able just to kind of chuck some stuff in the back of it, spend the day down by the coast. Dog absolutely loves the beach, and yeah, just being able to pull up whatever the weather, you know, whether that's on a cold wet night getting fish and chips and sitting in it by the coast, or on the summer days where you've got everything open, you've got your deck chairs out. Yeah, it's those are the best days. We chose Van Haven. We did a bit of research, but actually it was the configurator was kind of drove us to be able to understand what we were kind of be getting out of it, and what the final kind of look and spec could be like. You know, after the first kind of conversations, you pick up the phone, very responsive. You know, any follow-up questions, they were there to kind of answer those. We were invited to the factory to have a look around and see exactly what they wanted to do. And so you kind of see the kind of the quality and the kind of the customer experience that you would get with it. I imagine some people kind of look at vans and go, oh, you know, it's just a van, and it's more of a utility vehicle. I think the possibilities of modification and personalisation are pretty endless, actually. So, you know, I think once people kind of scratch below the surface and see what you can do and what it can be like to own and live with, I think they'd be really, really surprised. So it's definitely something that we found is a perfect alternative to other vehicles, SUVs and things like that. So yeah, definitely worth investigating.